So guys, let's make fish rice. This is some tomato, fried tomato and onions I used for another dish, and this is, so I'll be using it to make this fish rice. It's a quick one, like anybody can cook this rice. You don't even need to do much. So let's go. So I have my washed rice. I put in my washed rice. You know, rice will always have color as if it was unwashed. So this is some rice. I put in my rice. That is just what I'm doing. Anybody can make this food. You don't need much expertise to do that. Then now I'm going to be adding some sardine. This is the sardine water. This is the fish water. So we add some sardines. So we add some sardines to it. So I'm adding some sardines. This is such an easy and quick meal. Very quick. Like if you're hungry, you can just make this with it with eyes closed. Next I'm adding some salt, just a little salt. Just some salt. And then the next I'm adding this spice. This spice is made of garlic, cumin, coriander, cardamom, turmeric, bay leaves, ginger, and some chili. That's what this spice is all about. Or rather, that's what makes up this spice I just added. It's a combination of several spices. Then next I add some water. Guys, look at this water. And I give it a turn. Guys, look at it already. Some people call this, or can call this Sapa rice, because you don't need to do much, but I call it fish rice. I love to call it fish rice. Then I'll be adding a little more pepper, just to add some chili, more chili to it. I'll give it another turn. I'll give it another turn. So it's going to be cooking with this. Increase the fire, and then we cover and allow it to cook. Let's just wait and see how it will go. Lovely. We increase the fire now. We have to wait for it to cook. So it's about 14 minutes. And it's still cooking. I'll be adding my dry scent leaves, Chuamo in Igbo. This is dry scent leaves, and I'll allow it to keep cooking until I certify it ready. So we're ready to. So let's check the rice. Woo. Here is our Sapa rice, Sapa fish rice. It looks gorgeous, looks good, so yummy. So this is fish rice made with sardines. It's super tasty. You can see some of the sardines. So I can't wait to just dig in. A lot of people are waiting for this food. This is just a quick rice, a quick one. And look, we didn't add too much ingredients or too much garnishing. Just tastes so good. I know it will taste good anyway. Or it looks good. It looks lovely, guys. Look at it. This is a very fast rice. You don't need to do much. You don't need to do it much. So here you have it. It's quite hot. So the main thing here is the fish, the sardine. Actually use 2 things of sardines, some fried tomatoes and onions, some pepper, salt, a combination of 7 spices of garlic, curry, cinnamon or cardamom rather, cinnamon and all that, and a little oil to give it a good look. So here you have it. Let's go closer. You can tell it will be lovely, or rather you can tell from the look that it tastes good. This is what it looks like, and we're all ready to dig in. So guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Actually, I do more of shorts, but I wanted to just take you guys on a longer journey today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye.